The next you are going to learn this kanji. This kanji have the reading like onyomi, so, or at the sound show. And the reading of kunyomi is I. This kanji have the meaning of inter, mutual, together, each other, minister of state. So it have meaning. This kanji is quite have so many meaning. So you have to remember. What you have to remember is the meaning of mutual or together, each other, and that for the another meaning is the minister of the state. So let's go to see some example of how to use the kanji of I. So it means appearance, look, countenance. So it is mean difference or discrepancy, variation. Difference, discrepancy, variation. Shinso is mean true, real situation. The true or real situation. Shusho is mean prime minister or chancellor. Nihon shusho wa dare desu ka? Who is the prime minister of Japan? Chancellor is. Nihon no shusho wa dare desu ka? Who is the prime minister of Japan? Gaisho, foreign minister. Gaisho, foreign minister. You see that gai, the kanji of gai is mean outside or foreign, but the kanji of show is mean the minister or ministry. So when these two kanjis compound together, gaisho is mean foreign minister. Aizu is mean sign or signal. Q. Aizu is mean sign, signal.